Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F12, and today I will show you how you can change your lock screen wallpaper. At the first you have to go for the settings and then find wallpaper. When we are here, we get our lock screen and the home screen, so we are going to change this wallpaper. Right now we can pick the gallery, wallpaper service, or my wallpapers there that are pre-installed in the device. I'm going for the my simply wallpapers. Oh, I just misclick. And then I'm going to set up this one, for example. Then click on the lock screen, tap to confirm, and as you can see, my wallpaper, my lock screen wallpaper has changed, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.